everyone, today once again I come back with another video. Yesterday I have taught you about the LSRW. So today I'm gonna tell you that how we can speak in a group discussion, because you know it really very well that if we go anywhere in our society, then first of all we sit in the group and after that we try to touch on the topic, that what kind of topic we have. So today I think I'm gonna provide you the group discussion. So here I have four panelists and they will tell their points, that what they think about the particular topic. And topic is that sports should be mandatory in every school or not. So again I want to tell you the topic. Topic is that sports should be mandatory in every school or not. So I have four panelists. They will give their points of view, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it very well. In the last, I would like to tell you that if you will like my channel, then please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. And now I'm gonna give the chance to my panelists, and I hope that you guys will listen it really very carefully. Thank you so much.
So, hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself, Sapna Sunkar. I'm here for group discussion and we got a golden topic. And our topic is that sports should be mandatory in every school or not. And according to me, it should be mandatory, because if I talk about in all the schools, we also do study, but there are also some students who want to go in the field of sports, and that's why it should be also happen, and it is also too much important. And if I talk about if you will not bring any type of enjoyment in our life, and then how we will survive. I'll give you one example. If I talk about that, suppose that you are preparing for your exam, and you are not able to learn. And if you will learn seriously, and you will not do not any types of enjoyment, then it is very hard to you. But if I talk about if you will learn it with enjoyment, then you will understand it properly also. But and if I talk about the another advantage of being in sport is that we got a lots of we also do lots of physical exercises when we do any types of sports. And if I talk about the cricket is also very famous. If I talk about in India, then and if I talk about, there are also lots of matches is going from another country to our country. And if I talk about that, India is also growing in the sports, and we also have a lot of champions in our India. And now I will tell you that if we talk about the school, then all the persons feel boring when if I talk about why there is a lot of why there is a lot of periods and subjects in the school. And if I talk about that's why, because we do not feel any types of boring that we are studying this subject from many arts. And if I talk about in the schools, we study every subject for 45 minutes or 1 hour. And if I talk about if we will do enjoyment also, then it will be also very fun for students. They will also like the school also. They will also feel very good in the school. And if I talk about there are lots of people. There are lots of people who wanna take parts in this sport, and that is very also essential for that. Because if I talk about in this time, India needs lots of champions. And if I talk about, because of that, I think that sport is very mandatory in a school, and it should be also happen for children's enjoyment, and for the students who wants to go in any types of sports.
So everyone, good afternoon. Today I am here for group discussion. So my topic is anyway sports should be happen in sport or not. So according to me, it should be happen, because if you are seeing builders of the school are all present in this area. So as you know, if you are not if you are also listening, doctor is also giving the advice. If we are not taking, then we are health is not good very well. So as you also as you also health is good, and if you are saying, as you also some some people doubt in some students doubt in you are also playing in your home. But as you know, if you are playing in school, then you are on that time you are playing in your friends are present. And if you are playing your friends in school friends, then it is good for us. I think as you are also seen very lots of scholars are not allowed to play the any game. So according to me, it is bad for us because as you know, we are going for the reading and you for the they are also making they are also making the they are also making the very good environment because if they are not making environment very well good, then how to we are interesting in school. If we are not taking it interesting in school, then why are we are going? If they are if our teachers are giving to we are testing, then we are going to school. We are also thinking I will go in school and we are playing in school. After that, we are also reading and we are also learning the manner by the school and also if you are going in school and he was also know that when we are going to school then we are with lots of things are get by the teachers and if the teachers are learning good thing and as you also know that if you are playing any game then it is good for us because you know if you are leaving it, if you are working school only reading to I think it is bad for us because you know if you are working reading for reading only then it is not very well good for us. As some students are also some students are also thinking they have don't do time for the play. So as you know, if you are also giving time in morning time and lunch time, you have also get then you want that time to play any game. As you also teachers are also allowed to for the playing the game. And
So hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I'm here for group discussion and my topic is that we should in every school sports should be happen or not. So according to me it should be happen because if I talk about that student which student are interested so much in game. So if this if study if if sports are happen in every school then it is a more good for a student because every student are thinking when I'm play like every student are thinking different types of thing like some student are thinking I'm play cricket badminton and a lot of games. So according to me it will be more good for us because uh, if I talk about doctor then doctor are also told you when we are sick like you are playing any game like outdoor not indoor. And if I talk about that parents which parents are not allowed that children to go outside for playing then I'm told you that parents means if you are not allowed to your child to go outside then they are playing indoor game like free fire and a lots of game are present. Then it is a bad for our eyes are also damaged when we are playing like these kinds of things. So according to me when we are in school sports should be happen. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Shashwat here for a group discussion and my topic is that in school sports should be happen or not. So according to me, there sports should be happening in a school because of that. Because if sports should be happening in the school, then all that time the student are interested in study and in reading and playing also. You know, if you know you will or you do that study, then all that time you will feel bored, like bored. You know, you do not have interest in the reading, only reading. If you are do one time all the things, then you know it is like a boring and you know with the help if we will play if we will play any type of game like cricket, football, volleyball, kho anything then on that time our physical are also good and our body are also maintained like what like our health is also increased and lot of things are happen. And so for as a matter of my personal opinion, where I know that if in the school sports should be happen, then on that time the big thing is that a lot of students will come in that in school, and the good thing is that there in our India, lots of people are born like a cricketer. In our India, lots of famous game cricket. Where I know that I think that India cricket is famous because day by day in our India, our Indian sport are growing day by day in India. So in which sport, if we will play sport, then all the time we will have a lot of benefit. First benefit is that our body are also maintained, and second is that we are not feel boring, and third is that uh, the good thing is that the person are not want to study. They are only want to go in playing area. They can go. They are not interested in reading and you do not have in this world you do not have read a lot of those person are want that type of to become they can go easily if you will do a harder then you can go it you can go there and the most thing is that if you will play these things like football cricket and the football cricket then on the time with the help of football you can learn certain things also like you can go in another you can play like state level, international level, cricket also. So that is right. Thank you.
So today guys, as you have seen that each and every panelist has given his point of view and you guys have listened each and everything. So I hope that you guys will enjoy it really very well and will learn something from that how can we speak in group discussion. Thank you so much for watching my video. For more upcoming videos, please do like, subscribe and comment in my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much once again for seeing this video.